Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of data visualization with Tableau. Think of data as a pile of colorful building blocks. Tableau helps you turn that pile into something meaningful. Instead of staring at endless spreadsheets, Tableau transforms raw numbers into interactive, beautiful visuals. Its drag-and-drop interface makes it easy for anyone to use, no coding required. Whether you're tracking sales, temperatures, or any other data, Tableau helps you see patterns and stories you'd otherwise miss. Our goal is to give you a simple, hands-on introduction to Tableau's basics. We'll explore what Tableau is, why it's so popular, and how you can use it to create your own charts and dashboards. You'll see real examples and learn how different people use Tableau every day. By the end, you'll be ready to turn boring data into clear, compelling stories. Let's get started and unlock the power of your data. Ready to see your data in a whole new way? Tableau is a leading data visualization tool used to turn complex data into easy-to-understand visuals. It connects to everything from Excel files to massive databases, letting you analyze data from anywhere. Its drag-and-drop design means you don't need to be a programmer to create powerful charts. Tableau is fast. Explore huge datasets and get instant visual answers to your questions. The real magic is interactivity. Click, filter, and drill down to uncover insights in real time. For example, zoom into a sales map to see details for a specific region with just a click. Tableau's strong community and free Tableau public platform make learning and sharing easy. You'll find endless inspiration and support from users worldwide. Its combination of speed and simplicity and interactivity is why businesses and individuals love Tableau. With Tableau, anyone can make sense of their data and make smarter decisions. That's why it's a top choice for data visualization everywhere. Tableau's core strength is creating visualizations, charts and dashboards. Choose from bar charts, line graphs, pie charts, and more. Tableau even suggests the best type for your data. Combine multiple charts into a dashboard for a complete, at-a-glance view of your data. Dashboards are interactive. Click on a region in one chart, and the others update instantly. This lets you explore your data naturally, asking questions and getting answers on the fly. Tableau's story feature lets you guide viewers through your analysis step by step. Add text and annotations to explain your findings. Share your dashboards as PDFs, images, or interactive web pages. Collaboration is simple. Your team can explore the data live. With Tableau, your data becomes a dynamic tool for discovery. You don't need complex data to start. Use your own expenses, favorite movies, or any simple data set. Track your monthly spending in a spreadsheet, then visualize which categories cost the most. Or analyze your movie list to see which genres you watch most or which years had the best ratings. Even a small library can use Tableau to spot popular genres or seasonal trends in book checkouts. The key is to start with a question. Where does my money go? What's my favorite genre? Connect your data, build a chart, and let Tableau reveal the answers. Any dataset, no matter how simple, has a story to tell. Tableau makes finding those stories fun and easy. Practice with data you care about to build your skills. Soon you'll be uncovering insights everywhere. Tableau is used by business analysts, marketers, healthcare professionals, scientists, journalists, and more. Businesses track sales and performance marketers analyze campaigns. Hospitals improve patient care. Researchers spot trends. Even journalists turn dense reports into interactive graphics for the public. For students and job seekers, Tableau is a valuable skill. Data literacy is in demand everywhere. Adding Tableau to your resume shows you can work with data and communicate insights clearly. It's not just software, it's a way to think with data and tell compelling stories. Tableau bridges the gap between raw numbers and real understanding. Whether you want to grow a business, make discoveries, or just understand your world better, Tableau empowers you. Start learning Tableau, and you'll see data and your opportunities in a whole new light. The power to tell stories with data is yours.